Sweet split pigeon pea vermicelli pasta soup. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the dessert recipes and one of the most unique of the soup recipes and one of the most unique of the evening snacks recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the vermicelli recipes and one of the most delicious of the pasta recipes and one of the most different of the pea recipes and one of the most unique of the dessert soup recipes. Today we are going to make split pigeon pea vermicelli pasta soup. The ingredients are around 25 grams of raisins, 50 grams of split pigeon pea, 75 grams of vermicelli pasta. We have taken roasted vermicelli pasta here. Now pour in 25 grams of clarified butter and let it melt. Put in the split pigeon pea or cool down. Salt and clarified butter. Salt the split pigeon pea and clarified butter. Put in 4 to 5 spoons of sugar. Mix. Pour in 100 ml of water. Mix thoroughly. And let this mixture cook in the pressure cooker for 10 minutes. Until the pigeon pea is nicely cooked. Now put in around 15 grams of clarified butter into the pan. Put in the dried raisins and salt thoroughly. Till the raisins puff up. Keep on sauteing. Now these raisins can be taken off the pan as they are puffed up. And become really round. Now put in the vermicelli pasta. Salt thoroughly. Thoroughly salt. Now pour in the split pigeon pea. And mix. and let this mixture cook for 5 minutes and let it boil while stirring. Add sugar if you want it to be really sweet. Otherwise, 4 to 5 spoons of sugar that we added earlier is enough. Now pour in around 100 to 150 ml of milk. Mix and let the mixture cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. Now put in some fried raisins on top and mix. Now the split pigeon pea vermicelli pasta soup is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final sweet split pigeon pea vermicelli pasta soup. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the dessert recipes and one of the most unique of the soup recipes and one of the most delicious of the peas recipes and one of the most delicious of the pasta recipes and one of the most unique of the pasta soup recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the sweet recipes and one of the most unique of the sweet soup recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.